Do them at home, and people will think that you paid lots of money to get them done. 100% customizable to your liking. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be doing a review on the OOMYNAILS press on nails company. They reached out to me and asked me if I would like to review for them, and of course you guys know I love full cover. That's all I wear now. If you know what you're doing, you will not damage your nails by wearing full cover because of the pandemic that's going on and everybody being home, and you can do your nails at home. You don't have to pay a ridiculous amount of money to have gorgeous nails. These can be customized to your liking. A lot of their nails are versatile. You do not have to use nail glue to put them on. You can use gel because a lot of them are transparent, but it does come with little tabs that you can use to apply these. Now those tabs are really good if like you're going out for the evening, you want some really nice nails and you want them for the evening only. Tabs don't last that long because when you do get them wet or in soapy water, they will start to disintegrate and the nail will come off. So I'm going to show you how to apply them with the tabs that they come with. I'm going to show you how to apply them with nail glue, and then I'm also going to show you how to apply them with gel. They all come with 24 nails, so you'll get 2 sets. They do all come with extra adhesive tabs. I think you get like 48 tabs. You can actually take them off with soapy water and reapply them later on if you want to keep them. You can soak these off if you use gel or nail glue to apply them. All the ones here that you see and most of them on the website are $9.99. Okay, so the one that I am picking up in today's video and we're going to be using, this one is called Glam Rumor. See, it's got the transparent kind of nude color in the center with the purple and white French. And also really quick, their nails do come in different shapes, sizes. Some are long, some are short, some are coffin, some are stiletto, some are almond, and I would call this like active almond shape. When you flip it over, it does give the contents, the storage, the ingredients, how to use them, how to remove them, your caution, and a side note. They do ship worldwide. Have this like beautiful winter style one that is white and it's got like the holographic starbursts on like an ombre to a clear, like a white to clear nail. This one is called Winter Glow. This one here, which I thought was really cute and is on sale, is called Half Nude. This one is called Sorry No Milk, and it's like a nude nail with a white French with a little blue around the smile line and a cow print. How freaking cute is that? Last but not least, we have these adorable French kind of springy nails. This one is called Fly in the Clouds. The display and packaging is very, very nice. You do want to store them in a cool, dry place. The ingredients are ABS plastic. That's what the nails are. Here is all your goodies that you're going to need to complete a full set. You have one thing of tabs. You have an extra thing of tabs. You have your little vial, 75% isopropyl alcohol pad, and your cuticle pusher orange wood stick. Just like with all full cover tips, you want to pick a nail and you want it to go from one side wall to the other. You do need to shape it up a bit. You can always use the file that it comes with and shape the sidewalls up a bit. Let's go ahead and measure this just for jollies. It goes to almost 1.5 centimeters, and that's the thumb. That's the biggest size. Almost 1.5, but not quite. Go ahead and take your orange wood stick and you're gonna push back your cuticles. You're gonna make sure your side walls are clean. Take a buffing block and go ahead and just buff off that shine. Once you have the shine buffed off, go ahead and grab your alcohol wipe. Go ahead and clean up the nails. So the first way to apply these nails would be with the tabs. So you're going to size the tab to your nail. And of course, I would go with the biggest tab for my thumbnail here. And these usually have a protective film. You want to go ahead and pull that back. You can use tweezers or whatever you'd like to apply to pick these up. You don't want to touch it. Okay, I'm going to apply it to my nail, just like so. And I'm going to press that down. And then I'm going to take that tab and then I'm going to slowly peel that off, just like that. Now you don't have to do anything to the inside of this nail when you're using these tabs. Okay, it's ready to be applied. So I'm just going to go at like an angle, and then I'm going to press down onto the tab, hold it there, pressing firmly, make sure it's in place, and just kind of clean that up. The next thing that you can use to apply these is, of course, nail glue. I have my McCart nail glue, and what you would do, of course, you would just prep your nails as I did, you know, buff the surface shine, wipe it off, and then you're going to go in with the nail glue, put your nail glue on there. Before the nail glue dries, go ahead and line up your nail, go ahead and press it down into the nail glue, and then you're going to hold it. Alright, so then I'm just going to take the file and I'm just going to clean up. Look how cute! They're so tiny. Oh my. Alright, for the next few nails, I am going to grab my peel off base coat by the peel off. Put that on those two nails. We're going to let that dry. Take your tab, apply it to the nail, press down. Don't touch your tab. You don't want to transfer any of the oils from your natural nails to the tab. You're going to peel off the plastic piece, go right on top of that tab, and then press it down. Now, I would not get your hands wet for a few hours if you are planning on getting a bath or shower or washing the dishes, because you want the tabs to set, and it takes a little while for them to set. The DIY gel by Enail Couture. So now you do want to go ahead and prep this nail like you normally would if you're going to use gel. Go ahead and prime the underside of it just so it stays the extra mile. There it goes. Let's see. Wish me luck. We're going to go ahead and apply that. We're going to press till you see it get to the free edge, and then we're going to cure it. Look at that. It worked. Look at that. See the gel all the way to my free edge? It's cured. It's on there. See, now I know with these, because it is completely transparent, that you're not going to have any problems putting the whole set on with gel. Alright, so for the last nail, I am actually going to go in with my clear Happy Gel right on top of that peel off base. And I'm just going to move the gel around on my nail. Go ahead and go at like a 45-degree angle. Press down to your free edge and cure. Because you do have two nails that went on with gel, you're going to want to go ahead and do a full 60-second cure on these two. Okie dokie, there we have all of the OOMYNAILS applied, and we used 4 different things to apply them. We used the nail tabs, the nail glue, we used DIY gel, and then we used Happy Gel. Now, like I said, not all of these nails can be used this way, but many of them can. This one here, you can use that way. This one here, you can use that way. I don't know about these, and I know for a fact you can't with these. But with these, you can definitely use nail glue or the tabs. My squeezy gummy jelly, a dot right at the cuticle area. I'm going to use these like little stones that I got from AliExpress. Okay, I'm going to go into my light for 30 seconds. Just going to top coat them, just for giggles. You don't have to do this, but just for jollies, I'm going to go ahead and top coat them with a gel top coat. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. It's cured, go ahead and grab some cuticle oil, rub that in. I'll let you guys know at the very end how they were during the day. I'll come back tonight and show you guys. Which set do you guys want to see a video on next? Let me know. Do you want it to be the white ones, the clouds, these beautiful nude and pink, or the cows? Like I said, here's today's set. I will link all these down below for you guys to go and check out. Look how cute. You can customize them. They're adorable, but they're adorable. They're cute, and you can do them at home, and people will think that you paid lots of money to get them done. You can add stickers, you can add more gems. So go check out OOMYNAILS for your press-on needs. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's press-on video. Let me know what you think. Would you guys wear these? Would you guys rock these? Let me know in the comment section down below. Hey guys, so I wore my nails and actually had one of these fall off because I was sweeping, mopping, and doing all that good stuff. Now, the ones with the tabs did feel like they were going to come up while I was doing all that stuff today, but the ones that I put on with gel and nail glue stayed on really, really well. So my advice would definitely be either nail glue or gel. If they are transparent, I would definitely go that route, but nail glue will hold on for a very long time. If you are wearing these with the tabs, you're just going to take an orange wood stick, and you can actually soak them if you want, or you can just gently press that stick in there like so, and then slowly peel them up. And you still have the stuff on your nail, so just go ahead and just take that off. And then the same with this one. I think this one stayed on a little better. You guys know this one was the nail glue. Yeah, I don't want to ruin my nail, but if you try to pop these off with nail glue, it's either going to ruin the nail that's on there or it's going to ruin your natural nail. So I would suggest soaking this off with some soapy water or acetone. This one, I have these two, I have the peel off base, so it's going to pop off super simple. Super easy. I'm going to grab this acetone here. You're going to hold it there for probably, I don't know, it's not going to take too long. See, it's already starting to lift, and there it goes. That didn't take 1 minute, to be honest with you. 1 minute, and it popped right off. Now, if you do use acetone, these are going to be ruined because they are ABS plastic, and ABS plastic will melt in acetone. If you do want to wear these nails for a long time, I would put them on with gel without the peel off base coat or nail glue. So in the emojis, you guys, just do some like purple emojis, purple, maybe some purple, and maybe, I don't know, just some fun emojis down below. You guys know I love emojis, so any emojis you want to leave me, tell me about your day, just leave them down in the comment section. I read everyone's comments. I reply to everybody. I love them. I definitely would recommend them. You really don't have to do nothing but put them on your nails, and that's so simple. OOMYNAILS, thank you so much for sending these nails to me. I love them. Big thumbs up to you guys. With that said, hope you all have a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.